sexy thing, you. I believe in miracles. So since you came along, you sexy thing.
It's giving me modern granddad. Where did you come from, angel? I had this vest for like 2 years and I always wanted to crop it, and I'm gonna do it now.
The first thing that we have to do is to cut the bottom off. And where are my bloody scissors? My friend Haley gave me these scissors, so shout out to you, Haley. Okay, so we need to cut it. Look, it's like a bit chewed over here. Oh my gosh. This angle is bad. Okay, so as I was saying, we need to cut the bottom off, but I just had a nap. So this bit is frayed. Can you see it? So I'm just gonna cut straight up, and I'm gonna leave myself quite a good seam allowance. So there are a couple of centimeters. New scissors. There is nothing quite like it. Yeah, so how have you been? Long time no see, you know? What kind of shenanigans have you been up to? Oh shit. Try not to freaking pull it because it will unravel real fast. Just try to handle as least as possible. Okay, flat. Just like that. Okay. Next, we're gonna cut the shaping of the vest. Okay, so last week, what is this shiny thing? Last week, I spent ages creating my size blocks. I don't know if I'll ever edit it, but let's use it for the first time. Okay, first I'm gonna cut the sides. And this is a really simple project, I hope, because all the other things I've done have been quite hard. And, you know, I just keep thinking about this thing that our teacher said, that just make stuff that you can do. You know, don't try and make something that you can't do, which is what I always strive for. I'm always making sure I can't make. And he said, just
make something to your own level.
That would be, I think I'm gonna try and do more of that. You know, why try make something hard? Just make something easy. Okay, so obviously, I don't know if you can see it. This one, it has a dart at the bottom. So I'll just try and kind of angle it out of here a bit. But I mean, I do want it a bit loose, so just a little bit. Okay, so I've just lined it up to the middle, shoulder. Okay, sort of like 15 down, 15. Okay, and I'm cutting it a little bit extra because the seam allowance for later. Holy shit. Okay, aim for 17. Okay. Whew. Okay, and how much am I going to take off the side? Just like compare it to here. Just take like that much off the side. And same way. Bro, I forgot about the seam allowance already. Fuck. Alrighty, the front panel is done. Now let's move on to the back. Try not to move it as much. Okay, we can clearly see where the middle fold is because it's been laying in the cupboard for like a year. Should I do the back a little bit scooped? Nah. How much was this? 17. Okay, and how much of the sides? Well, because I forgot to put the seam allowance on the other one. We'll just do this much. Alrighty, let's take her to the sewing machine. Oh, I just did the wrong one. Hey, let's see how it goes. Oh, I didn't try that one. I can't sew and talk. Okay. Alright, we'll first sew the sides. Might make it a bit more tight, like 3.5. Okay, did you see me do that? You can do it. Yeah, so they're just trying to keep everything as loose and glidey as possible. Also, if you want your seams to match perfect, you just take them together and put a pin right where they have to match. So for me, you see this, I really want them to match here. The sun. Anyway, I really want them to match there. So I'm going to chuck a pin in there like this. Sort of, the other one I didn't put a pin in. And when I sewed it, it's like one is a bit higher than the other, you see? Don't want it happening again. So let's see if this trick is going to work. Don't know, it might be a bit dodgy because it's so thick. So much better, you see? So much straighter. Chuck those pins. All right, also one side is a bit kind of crooked, but whatever, we'll even it out in the end. Okay, so to attach the band, because there is the side seams, because I cut it in the middle, I might just, oh, this is also frayed. All right, well, it's also frayed at another point, so I'm gonna snip it off. Boom. And I'll just start sewing from the side. So you see, because I've been handling it, I've accidentally gone off, but that's okay because I left myself a huge seam allowance. So all right, let's see how it goes. Oh, I need to sew it this way so I can see the band. Should I measure it with tape? All right, 48. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh Lord. Okay, well, I cut out those other bits and cut a bit too much. I'm just gonna stretch it on. Just gonna overlock this. Just gonna overlock this bit and then stretch it on. And hope for the best. Okay, maybe this is time for some pins. Gosh, don't want to stretch it too much. I don't want it to unravel. Okay, surely 4 pins will be enough. Alright guys. Alright guys and girls, wish me luck. It's getting chilly. It's actually been so cold. That's why I only have like an hour working in this room, because it gets the afternoon sun the rest of the time. The house is cold. Okay. How do you think it looks? It's giving me 70s, I don't know why. I believe in miracles.
Since you came along, you sexy babe. Where did you come from, baby? How did you know I needed you? Every night,
Do I have enough for a little skirt? This is nice. Let's finish it. Because we're not finished.
To finish it off, we have to take care of these little bits. And all we're gonna do is take it and sew it with a straight stitch just here. Just that overlooking seam, we're gonna push it to the side and just top stitch at the top. And we're gonna be done. And then we can take it out for a walk. Then we can take it out for a walk. Okay, got it? Do you got it? Okay, so I'm coming in. This tail as well, we can just tuck it inside the sandwich, out of sight. I don't know, sometimes it stays there, sometimes it wants to come out. Might actually zigzag that. Oh, it freaking doesn't want to move. Oh, I'll move for it. And we're done. It's flat. I was too lazy to change to a darker brown, but it works. Look, this is from the wrong side. It just makes it flat. This is from the right side. Don't mind that. All right, let's do the other side and let's vamos. Love it. Our massive piece is complete. Just trim away those bits. Ooh, we have one here too. I forgot about at the bottom. No stress. We just take this tail, tuck it in, boom, sew her in. Oh, I didn't mean to say her. It sounded a bit rough actually. Oh gosh, come on. Yeah, after a while it kind of, yes, splendid. Just trim them away. Oh Lord. Where's your library card? Oh, hey, do you want to go to the library? To the library? Whoa, whoa. It's a industrial machine. Still missing some things, but soon I'll be using it. I'm so stoked. Okay, bye. Bye-bye.